Hi everyone, I'm just making this short video to show how you can set up your office hours. In fact, for all of your courses. So I'm going to go in to my settings and choose course calendar. Just take some time, so you gotta be patient with me. Once it opens up, so this is what you will see. So I'm going to select this class because it's a dummy shell. I don't want to create it because I've already created for my classes. So once you have selected the course, so if you're teaching more than one, like you can select all of them, and then you go here and click on the plus sign. And again, it'll take some time. Once this pops up, you select appointment group. Okay, so here you can give whatever name you want. Let's say I'm going to say FYE. Okay, I'm going to stop it. That's because I don't want to confuse. And then this is going to take some time, but if you do it for the entire semester, then you don't have to set it up again. So you go in whatever your office hours are. Let's say I'm just saying, I don't know, mine will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's say that. So I'm going to go Monday, and then I'm going to select my time. And let's say my office hours are from 10 a.m. Okay, to 12 p.m. Okay, and then you go to the next one and say Wednesday. Same thing. Let's say you'd say it is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and so on and so forth. So you go ahead and set it up for the entire semester, like September, October, November, or whatever you want to do. And then you can decide how you want to do it. You want to give 15 minutes, 10 minutes for each student. So I usually do like, I don't know, 15 minutes. And then if you want to keep it the limit to one user, like one student, 15 minutes, you can do that, or whatever number of students you want. Let's say you want 3 students at the same time. They might have the same questions or whatever. Or you can change it and just keep it as one student. And then you can also click this. You can also show them who has signed up for this, and limit participants to attend one appointment, because you don't want to limit that because you want them to come back. So once you have done this is important. Don't publish it yet, but then don't go to your course Zoom, but go to CCP Zoom US, as we all do when we set up our own meetings. Sign in, and then let's say schedule a new meeting. Okay, so put in your details. Don't select any date. So you can do, I think you can do recurring. No, you don't have to do this also. So do the passcode. Make sure you do that. And then let me just remember what I did. Okay. I think you go to you go to recurring meeting, but instead of saying daily, select no fixed time, because you don't want to spoil what you have created. Okay, so and make sure you do the passcode and then save it, and then you can, I'm just going to save it, it doesn't matter. So copy this link, okay, or copy this invitation actually, and then just highlight just this much. You don't need the entire thing. So just join Zoom meeting, the link, meeting ID, and passcode, and just say Command C or just copy it. And then you come back to your calendar where you created everything. Here you paste what you created. You do this, and then you can again details twice just so that they don't miss it. Once you finish all this, then publish. then your office hours are set for the entire semester. So that's how you do it. And I'm just going to get out of all this so I can show you how I have done for one of my classes for FYE. So if I go to my settings and I go to course calendar, you will see how I have set it up for the entire semester. I meet them in the evenings because most of them are working and they're taking it as online class. And you can see every Wednesday and Thursday I meet with them. So it's 8, 8:15, 8:30, 8:45. So this is how it'll show up for you. And then for the students, so let me go back and show you how the students will view it. So, and it's good idea to send them like a video or screenshot of how they would see it. So they go here, they go to their course calendar and find appointment, because they might have more than one class. So when they click that for my class and submit it, they will see the same time slots and they can click on it, and it's unreserved, so they can click on it and put their names and reserve. I don't want to play around with this because it'll mess up their time slots. So that's pretty much how you do it. So hope it's clear, and I can share with you the video I made for the students, how they set it up, and I'll send that as well. So I'm going to finish it. Hope it was helpful.